Let's unleash the power of Metigy's decision support and create a post using the AI suggestions on both media and posting time. Use the top left navigation to open your content planner. Then click Create Content. The Metigy Media Library is open through the Media Library tab. You'll find a selection of images and GIFs suggested by the Metigy AI. Premium and free options are available. Select the image or GIF you want to post, and then click Confirm Selection. Clicking on the image will open up the image editing tools. Here you can crop or process the image. When you're happy with the edits you have made, click the Add button. Once you're happy with the image you would like to post, then you can continue to add copy and hashtags when your post is ready. Use the drop-down menu to select the channel you would like to post it to. A preview of the post will be displayed. Click Save and then select Approve to post this to your channel at the optimum time suggested by the Metigy AI. Your scheduled post will now be displayed in your content planner.